Hey everybody, if you want to add the actual moving average into your TradingView.com section, it's going to be really easy. So if you don't find that, it must be because this moving average is called the EMI into the TradingView, and this one stands for Exponential Moving Average. So with that being said, this technical indicator can be helping us to confirm uptrends. It's going to be really easy. We want to add an indicator inside our own graphic. So once you have your account already been created, once you have your chart of your layout, what you want to do is to focus in here into my indicators. I'm going to just unhide all my drawings here, and I want to focus into my indicators. I'm going to hit in here, and what I want to do into favorites, I want to look out for moving average exponential. So as you can see, this one appears into my favorites. So if you find that, hit into your favorite, because I'm pretty sure you're going to be using more than once and more than twice. So type into moving average exponential, and automatically it's going to be appearing into the left part. If I want to add another one, I can do that. I can add up to 3 if I have just a free account. So I'm going to go into the X mark, and if I choose my EMI, I'm going to go into my settings, and here I can see the input, the style, and the visibility of my actually moving average. With that being said, guys, we can now start to work with this great tool from the TradingView. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if this was very useful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.